In this video, Timmy's going to show you how to make your text double-spaced in Google Docs so that you have nice big gaps between each line. First, Timmy will show you how it's done on the Google Docs website on a computer, and then Timmy will show you how it's done on the Google Docs app on a phone or tablet. On the Google Docs website, the first thing you'll need to do is select your text if you haven't already. So, if you just want to double space a few paragraphs or something like that, you can click and drag to select the specific text you want to double space. Or if you want all the text in your document to all be double spaced, you'll need to select everything. And the easiest way to do that is to actually press Control or Command and then the letter A on your keyboard to automatically select all your text like that, rather than having to drag your cursor across the entire document. Or if you haven't started typing any text in your document yet, and it's just a blank document, you can still go ahead and change this setting now, and then any text you type in this document in the future will also be double spaced. But now, once you're ready to make your text double spaced, you'll need to come up to this toolbar here, and this can look slightly different depending on the size of your screen. Timmy's got a fairly small screen right now, so these icons actually get cut off and hidden behind this 3-dot menu. So Timmy actually has to click More to show all these options, but on some computers you might just see all of these options over here. But either way, you'll find options there, or you'll click this button and find them in here. What you need to find is the icon with the 3 lines and this up and down arrow here that says line and paragraph spacing when you hover over it. And you'll need to click that button there. And now, in this menu that appears, you'll see we have single, 1.15, 1.5, and double. So, the text by default in most Google Docs is actually already set to 1.15 spacing to give you just a little bit more than single. But all you really need to do to have double spacing is come into this menu here and click double. And now we can click here and we can get rid of the menu and everything. But now we have double spacing in the document. So if we just scroll through, you'll see there's really quite large gaps between each line of text because it all has double spacing. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You now have double spaced text in your Google Doc. If you wanted to have it slightly different, you could once again go Control or Command A and then come back into this menu. Maybe you could go to a 1.5 spacing or something if you want. If you want to give yourself just a bit more space between each line, but you don't necessarily want an entire double space. Or you can even do custom spacing if you want. If we come back into this menu here, you can come down and click Custom Spacing, and then type any number for spacing in here that you want. So you could go 1879 if you want, so you can get really specific with it. And then once you're happy with that number, you can click Apply, and then you'll have that really specific amount of spacing on each line there. So you can do pretty much whatever you want there. As we can see, it's rounded a little bit, but we have 1.88 spacing. And you can use this to go more than double if you want. If you want to have 3 or 5 or something line spacing, but that's pretty much all there is to it. You can just go basic double, or you can go custom if you want to have it a bit different. But now you have extra spacing between each line of text in Google Docs. And that's really all there is to it on the Google Docs website on a computer. But in the Google Docs app on a phone or tablet, it is a bit different. In the Google Docs app, the first thing you'll need to do is make sure you're actually in editing mode if you aren't already. So make sure you've tapped on this little pencil edit icon down here so that you're in this editing mode where you have the keyboard and all these options. And now, once you're in here, you'll need to select all the text that you want to double space. So if you press and hold on one word, it should select that word, or maybe put your cursor in between the words or something like that. And then you can use these dots that will appear either side of it to drag and select lots of text like this. So if you wanted to do a full paragraph or a few paragraphs, you could do that. Or in this menu that will appear when you're selecting things, you could also tap Select All somewhere in this menu, and that will automatically select all the text in the document for you. So you can choose what you want to do there. Or if you haven't actually started typing anything in your document yet, and it's just a completely blank document, you can also change it to double line spacing now, and that will apply to any new text you type in this document. But now, once you've selected your text, if you have any text, and you're ready to go ahead and increase the line spacing to double space, you need to find this A icon up here with the little lines coming out of it like that. So it's this icon up here. Might be in a slightly different position on different phones, but here it is here. You'll need to tap on that icon, and it will bring up this menu, but the keyboard will often be here, but you can try and dismiss the keyboard. So now you've just got this menu here, and you'll need to scroll down a bit in this menu until you find line spacing down here. And now you just need to increase the line spacing so that it's double. So as we can see, it's 1.15. So right now it's basically 1. It is a little bit higher, but it's basically 1. But what we want to do is tap this plus icon here. And now it's at 1.5. So now it's 1.5. And we can tap it again, and we're at 2. So 2 is actually as high as you can go in the app, but we now have double line spacing. So we can click the cross here to close that, and click the tick icon here to get rid of that, and just tap anywhere on the screen to unhighlight it all. And now, as you can see, the entire document has double spacing. So that's all there is to it. That's how you can make text double spaced with double line spacing in Google Docs, whether you're on the Google Docs website on a computer or the Google Docs app on a phone or tablet. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and Timmy will see you in another one soon.